Hello guys, welcome to this video. So in this video I will show you a new tool that I developed on my website, which is an Angular PDF editor, which where you can actually interact with your PDF documents. Either you can merge it, remove the pages. So this tool looks something like this. You can even access it live by going to freemediatools.com/visuals PDF editor. So it's a passive income tool. I basically earn a lot of money passively by putting advertisements on this tool. So user come to the website, they automatically pick multiple, or let's suppose you pick a PDF document. So it will load all the pages inside this PDF document. So you can see that visually, and you can reorder that. Let's suppose you want this page to be number one. So you can visually order these pages, sort these pages. You can see that. You can, using your mouse, you can just change the order of the pages, and you can even remove this individually by clicking this dustbin icon for each page. So if you click this icon, you will see that page will be removed from here. So in this easy way, whichever pages you don't need from your PDF document, you can easily remove it, and you can even change the order as well. So then we have different buttons out there. You can download this now, the output file. Now the output file will get downloaded, the 17 pages. So you can even, let's suppose we can select multiple files, PDF files. So we can successfully merge it. So it will actually merge all the PDF documents. You can change the order here like this, and when you are done, you can simply download this. If you want to add more files, you click this plus icon. So to add another PDF document, so you simply go to this, again choose one, so you will see all the pages will be there. You can even click that as well. Here also it adds a new PDF document. And then we also have this download button right here as well, or you can click right here. So now the PDF file, the output PDF file is downloaded. So this project, guys, I built using a open source library, which is PDF-LIB. This is a JavaScript PDF generation library where you can create and modify PDF documents. So this is their official website, and let me show you the directory structure of the project. It's an Angular project, and it actually uses the latest version of Angular, which is 19 at the time of recording this video. So it's compatible with the latest version, and also you can see we are using the PDF-LIB library. And if you need this project, guys, the link is given in the description. You can go to my website procodestore.com and purchase the full source code. After you purchase it, you will get this zip file, and you just need to extract the zip file, which will contain this directory structure. So inside the source here, you will see each component is divided into a different folder. So you can see it's coded inside this Angular. Each component has a specific TypeScript file here. This is the HTML file. So if you are a student, college going student or university going student, you can purchase it. If you are also applying for a job, this will be a good starting project. You will get to know about how I developed this project. Each file is there. If you are a developer, you can even modify this application. You will get full commercial right after you purchase the project. And you can just see here, it's a full Angular project here. And if you want to run this, it's very simple. You simply execute this command, which is if you want to run it locally, first of all you install the Node.js modules by executing this npm I command. Then you simply run the project npm run start. So this will start the project locally on the port number localhost 4200. So it is just building out all the assets, and then it will start this project here. If you see localhost 4200, so then you can actually open this project locally, localhost 4200. So you can see that the project has opened, and now you can actually see that. So before purchasing it, you can try this by going to this website. It is also available at the checkout page. So whenever you check out, you can check out the free demo. If you are interested, then you can purchase the full source code, and you will get this full directory structure, full source code. If you still face any problem, you can contact me at my email address. I will willing to help you if you face any issues. This is the overall project, guys. It's a Angular PDF editor project which allows you to remove, merge PDF documents, right, visually. So it's a static app. It's very easy to deploy. Npm run build command. So there is also a build command if you want to build this application and push to. So there is a build command here, so you can build out this Angular application. So the command is simple. If you just say npm run build, this will actually build out all the assets into a static application which you can deploy to any shared hosting or any hosting that you have. You can purchase a domain name and just deploy the website files. So you can see the output location has been created. If you see, it has created this dist directory which is holding the static website here. So let me also show you the passive income I'm generating from this tool. So I have Google AdSense approved here. If you see, it is every day it is giving me some passive income. So this is Google AdSense, and also there is a network called as Ezoic, which is also very popular network when it comes to monetizing your tool website. So ezoic.com, I also have approval from this ad network as well. So I'm also getting some passive income from this as well. So if you see, you will see that each day I'm just getting some passive income. So it's a great tool, guys. You can purchase it and earn a lot of passive income. And thank you very much for watching this video, and I will be seeing you in the next one.